Hello, and welcome to myTRIAList. Today, we will provide an overview of the Harmony head-to-head clinical trial. This study is exploring the combination of two investigational treatments for advanced or metastatic melanoma and comparing them to an approved combination therapy.
What is advanced or metastatic melanoma?
Melanoma is a type of skin cancer that begins in the melanocytes, which are the cells that produce melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color. Melanoma occurs when the growth of melanocytes become uncontrolled. When melanoma is detected early, it is generally treatable. However, if it spreads to other parts of the body, including the lungs, brain, lymph nodes, liver, or bone, it is considered advanced or metastatic melanoma and is much more challenging to treat.
Can you tell me more about the medicines being studied?
Fianlimab and cemiplimab are the two immunotherapy medicines being studied in combination. Fianlimab is described as a medicine that attaches to a specific part of immune cells known as LAG3. This action helps in the treatment of cancer by activating the immune system to attack cancer cells. Cemiplimab is another medicine that helps the immune system spot and destroy cancer cells by blocking a protein called PD-1. LAG3 and PD-1 can act like brakes, stopping the immune system from fighting cancer cells. The medicines being studied, fianlimab and cemiplimab, aim to remove these brakes so the immune system can better recognize and attack the melanoma cells.
What is the goal of this study?
One goal of this study is to make sure it is safe and effective for people to take both medicines at the same time. Another goal is to see if combining these two medicines works better than the combination of two other medicines, relatlimab and nivolumab, which is already approved for treating melanoma in adult and pediatric patients 12 years of age and older.
My name is Hussein Taubi. I'm a professor and deputy chair of the Department of the Melanoma Medical Oncology at MD Anderson Cancer Center. I also co-direct the Brain Metastases Clinic here at MD Anderson. When I saw a study that's comparing them head-to-head, or what's called the Harmony head-to-head phase 3 trial, I was very excited because this is the kind of trials that we want to have in melanoma, where we compare drugs to each other that will help us make a direct comparison and a direct decision of which combination is better for patients. The simple thing I'll say is both combinations are going to be good, so I'm not worried about the new investigational arm being in any way less effective. The only potential benefit is that it could be more effective.
Can you tell me how this study is set up?
In this study, eligible participants will be randomly assigned to one of two groups. One group receives fianlimab plus cemiplimab every 3 weeks, while the other group receives the combination of relatlimab and nivolumab every 4 weeks. The medicines are delivered directly through an IV.
I tell my patients that the infusion itself ends up being, almost too simple. Most of the issues and the toxicities that can happen, while they happen in, up to, somewhere between 15 and 30% of patients, they develop over a long period of time, usually in days to weeks. And as long as you communicate with your research team and your clinic team and your study physician, you should be in good hands.
Who can take part in this study?
To join, you need to have advanced or metastatic melanoma that has spread. You must not have received prior systemic therapy, which involves a treatment that targets the entire body to combat cancer for advanced or metastatic melanoma. These may include chemotherapy, immunotherapy, or targeted therapy. You must also be 18 or older and meet some other health requirements. We hope this video helped you learn more about the Harmony head-to-head study. Check out the Harmony head-to-head study page on myTRIAList, where you can find the study contact in case you have questions or want to find out if you qualify for the study. Visit the myTRIAList trial finder at myTRIAList.org to find the right study for you. You must also be 18 or older and meet some other health requirements.